5. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 11, Soil Conservation. In this chapter we will study about soil. So all of you take out your science book and open chapter 11, page number 105. Chapter 11, Soil Conservation. Let's start with the chapter. Let's see the concept mapping, what we will study in this chapter. Concept mapping, introduction, soil as a valuable resource, soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Causes of soil erosion, wind, water and human activities. Then soil conservation, methods of soil conservation, afforestation, cover crops, terrace farming, fence, shelter belts and embankments. Then soil pollution, causes and impact of soil pollution. Now let's start the chapter. Students, read with me. Soil contains many organisms that maintain the fertility of soil. Soil is one of the most important favorable conditions on the earth that supports life. Now, soil, it contains many organisms, okay, which maintains the fertility of the soil. Fertility means the production quality of a soil, okay. So it maintains the quality of a soil, and soil is the most important favorable condition on earth which supports life. Now, after that, initially the earth contained air and water only, with land rocks as a surface, with hard rocks as a surface. The sun, the force of flowing water, the wind and the roots of plants caused the breaking down of rocks into smaller and smaller particles. This is also known as weathering. After thousands of years of this activity, the tiny particles of rocks changed into loose material called soil. Now, the earth contains air and water only, with hard rocks as a surface. सरफेस पे क्या होता है? हार्ड रॉक्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं, जैसे हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में भी पढ़ा था. Okay, so soil or the earth contains air and water only, with the hard rocks on its surface, and the sun, the force of flowing water, wind and the roots of plants causes the breaking down of rocks into smaller and smaller particles, and this is known as weathering. और weathering क्या है? The process through which the hard rock or the bigger rock is break down into some smaller and smaller particles. Okay. After that, after thousands of years of this activity, the tiny particles of rocks changed into loose material caused soil. Now, after weathering, what happens? After thousands of years of weathering, the tiny particles of rocks, they get changed into loose material, which is known as soil. After that, with the passage of time, plants grew on the land, that is soil, and soil become a valuable natural resource. Soil contains water, air and humus, that is remains of dead plants and animals mixed in it. Without soil, there will be no plants, and so there will be no food. Thus, soil is the reason why life exists on the earth, and hence it should be conserved. Now, as the time passes, what happens? The plants start growing on soil or on land, and when the plants are growed or they are grown, then what happens? The soil becomes a valuable material, natural resource. Okay, it becomes valuable as soil contains water, air as well as humus. Humus is the remains of dead plants and animals which gets mixed with the soil, and without soil there will be no plant and so there will be no food. अगर soil नहीं होगी तो कोई भी plant नहीं grow करेगा, कोई भी plant नहीं grow करेगा तो हमें food नहीं मिलेगा. That's why soil is a valuable natural resource. Thus, soil is the reason why life exists on earth, and this is the reason that why soil or why life is existing on earth, and it should be conserved. Conserved means it should be saved from pollution, as there is a type of pollution which is known as soil pollution or land pollution. In this, what happens? The soil gets polluted and the quality or the fertility of soil decreases. That's why it is said that we should conserve soil, or we should save or protect soil from pollution. Now turn to the page 106. Now, soil erosion. Soil erosion is a process in which the top fertile layer of soil is lost. If the land becomes barren, it cannot support any form of life. But what causes soil erosion? The top layer of soil is very light, which is easily carried away by wind or water. This process of carrying away of topsoil from one place to another by natural agents like wind and water is known as soil erosion. Now, what is the soil erosion? It is a process in which top fertile layer of soil is lost. It means, or you can say that it is a process in which the top layer of the soil is lost. If the land becomes barren, if the land becomes barren means if there is no plant or it does not have fertility, the soil which does not have fertility, that land becomes barren. Means barren means banjar. So the land which becomes barren, there this then that soil does not support any form of life. Okay, now the barren land does not support the life or it does not support any form of life. But now what causes soil erosion, how the soil erosion is caused? It is caused just by wind, water and some human activities also. Okay, now what is the soil erosion? In this, the top layer of soil which is very light, जो soil की जो top layer होती है, that is carried away. It is carried away by wind or water. The top layer of soil is carried away by wind or water. या तो पानी के साथ वो बह जाती है या फिर जब heavy winds चलती हैं, high winds, just like जब आंधी आती है तो क्या होता है, तो सॉइल हमारी इरोड होती है तब भी, क्योंकि वो उड़ जाती है. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स कॉज सॉइल इरोजन. नाउ दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ कैरिंग अवे of topsoil from one place to another by natural agents like wind and water is known as soil erosion. Now all of you underline this definition. The process of carrying away of topsoil from one place to another by natural agents like wind and water is also known as soil erosion. So what is soil erosion? The process of carrying away of topsoil, मतलब वो प्रोसेस जिसमें सॉइल के जो टॉप लेयर है उसको एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस पे ले जाया जाता है थ्रू द नेचुरल एजेंट्स लाइक विंड एंड वाटर. ओके, सो दिस इज सॉइल इरोजन. नाउ causes of soil erosion. Various agents like wind, water, deforestation, overgrazing by cattle, etc. cause soil erosion. The topsoil is held tightly together by the roots of the plant. When plants are removed, the soil becomes loose and is carried away by wind or by water. The various factors of soil erosion are described below. Now, there are various agents of soil erosion just like wind, water, deforestation, overgrazing of cattle and human activities like then so many. Deforestation means cutting of plants and overgrazing of cattle means animals which graze in the field. If they overgrazed it, then what will happen? All the crop will be destroyed and the soil will become loose as the roots of the plant holds the top layer of soil tightly. क्या होता है जो रूट्स में जो सॉइल होती है वो ट्रैप हो जाती है, उसकी वजह से सॉइल हमारी बिल्कुल ट्रैप रहती है, तो वो विंड एंड एयर से ब्लो आउट नहीं होती है. बट इफ इट विल बिकम लूज, अगर वहां पे रूट्स से वो ट्रैप नहीं होगी तो देन व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल बी कैरीड अवे. सो व्हेन द प्लांट्स आर रिमूव्ड, then what happens, the soil becomes loose and it is easily carried away by wind or water. Now let's start with the wind. Take a piece of paper and keep a handful of soil or sand on it. Now blow air over the sand. Observe what happens. The sand either forms a heap on the other side or spread out. Now what you have to do, you have to take a piece of paper and you have to put some soil on that paper, and after keeping that soil you have to blow that sand. आपको उस like the boy is doing in the second picture, you can see you have to do just like this. What you will see, you will observe that the soil, either the soil or the sand will form a heap on the other side or it will be spread out of the paper. After that, strong winds blow the top fertile soil from one place to another in a similar way and cause soil erosion. This happens more often when land is not covered with grass or other plants. Such conditions are common in desert and semi-desert regions where strong winds blow most of the year. Now, like this only, the strong winds blows the top fertile soil from one place to another. Just like this only, जो strong winds होती हैं वो भी जो top layer होती है soil को उसको blow कर लेती हैं from one place to another, and that causes soil erosion. Okay, and now this happens when the land is not covered with grass or other plants. If the land is not covered with any grass or plants, then the land is in loose form, और loose है तो it will be easily blown away by strong winds. Now such conditions are common in desert or semi-desert. Now these conditions are very common in deserts, जहाँ पे deserts, because there are less plants on, and as well as in the areas of semi-desert also. Okay? Because there the strong winds blows most of the year. पूरे साल में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम पे स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स वहाँ पर ब्लो होती रहती हैं. उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, जो डेजर्ट एंड सेमी डेजर्ट्स है वहाँ पे सॉइल इरोजन होता है. दैट कॉजेज सॉइल इरोजन देयर. आफ्टर दैट वाटर. Rivers and heavy rains cause soil erosion as running water removes the top fertile soil. This erosion is more common in hilly areas as rainwater rushes down the slopes and washes down the soil of the hills, making the area unfit for cultivation. The running water deposits the minerals rich soil in the riverbed and over the layers. This soil can change the course of the river. This can lead to floods, which cause destruction of life and property during heavy rains. Also, the rivers get flooded and flow of water deposits the soil on another piece of land. Now, rivers and the heavy rains, they cause soil erosion, as in this the running water removes or it carries the top layer of the soil. Now, this erosion is mostly common in the hilly areas where the rainwater, hilly areas में क्या होता है, slopes में होते हैं, तो जो रेन वाटर होता है, that rain. Now, human activities. Humans have cleared forests to grow crops in order to feed the ever-increasing population and to build houses, industries, etc. Cutting down of trees on a large scale for these purposes is called deforestation. This loosens the soil and causes soil erosion. Now, humans, the human beings, us, and we have what we have done. We have cleared the forests. We have cut down the trees in order to grow crops, just to feed the increasing population as well as to build houses. हमने जो भी फॉरेस्ट से उनको क्या किया, उनको पूरा क्लियर कर दिया, या प्लांट्स जो थे, जो ट्रीज हैं, उनको हमने कट कर दिए ताकि जो हमारी पॉपुलेशन, जो हमारी इंक्रीजिंग पॉपुलेशन है, जो पॉपुलेशन हमारी इंक्रीज हो रही है, उसको हम जो है प्रॉपरली फीडअप कर सके और हम लोग क्रॉप्स को ग्रो कर सके, या फिर हाउसेस बना सके, इंडस्ट्रीज बना सके, फैक्ट्रीज सेटअप कर सके. इन सब चीजों के लिए व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव क्लियर्ड द forests and cutting down of trees on a large scale for this purpose is known as deforestation. Now, what are the purposes in this? For building houses, for setting up the industries and factories, meals, or so many things like schools, colleges. इन सब के लिए भी अगर हमने एक लार्ज स्केल पे ट्रीज को कट डाउन किया है, देन इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डिफॉरेस्टेशन. एंड डिफॉरेस्टेशन लूजेस द सॉइल. अगर हमने ट्रीज कट कर दी तो क्या हो गई, सॉइल हमारी लूज हो गई, और उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट व्हाट विल हैपन, सॉइल इरोजन विल be caused. Then, when farmers plow farmlands for growing crops, the loosened crop can easily be carried away by wind or water. After harvesting the soil, the crop soil remains bare for some time. This is blown away by the wind. Now, when the farmers क्या करते हैं, when they plow their farmlands for growing crops, तब जो loosened जो soil होती है, the loosened soil that can be easily carried away by wind or water. And जब उन्हें क्रॉप ग्रो करना होता है तब भी सॉइल इरोजन होता है, एज वेल एज आफ्टर हार्वेस्टिंग, आफ्टर कटिंग द क्रॉप, द सॉइल फॉर सम टाइम, दैट लैंड इज केप्ट barren or it remains barren for some time. तो जो सॉइल जो barren रहती है कुछ टाइम के लिए, in that also, in this also the soil is blown away by strong winds or water. Then, when man leaves grazing animals like cattle, goats, sheep, etc. to graze on the same piece of land for a long time, the land becomes barren, resulting in soil erosion. Now, if a man leaves their animals to graze in a field, अगर किसी ने कोई है, कोई पर्सन अपने एनिमल्स को एक पर्टिकुलर लैंड पर ग्रेज करने के लिए अपने एनिमल्स को छोड़ देता है, जो है काफ़ी टाइम के लिए डेली सपोज डेली वो एक पीस ऑफ लैंड पे अपने एनिमल्स को डेली लाके वो छोड़ देता है ताकि एनिमल्स वहाँ पे ग्रेस कर सके, तो क्या होगा, दैट पीस ऑफ लैंड विल बिकम ओवर बैरन और इट विल बिकम that piece of land will become overgrazed, and that overgrazed will cause the barren land or it will result in barren land. अगर किसी भी जो है पीस ऑफ लैंड है, कोई भी वहाँ पे अगर डेली जाके कोई भी एनिमल ग्रेस कर रहा है लॉन्ग टाइम पीरियड के लिए, तो क्या होगा, वो जो सॉइल है वो बैरन हो जाएगी और उसकी वजह से तब भी वहाँ पर सॉइल इरोजन होगा. Okay, that will also cause soil erosion. Thus we see that human activities have increased the chances of soil erosion. So we see that human activities like cutting down trees for building houses, industries, and grazing animals, farming also increases the chances of soil erosion. From these activities also there is a chance of soil erosion. Okay, now soil conservation, we will study this topic in our next class. Okay, till that time your homework is to read chapter 11 and revise the taught portion. Thank you class.